Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SAMSUNG Galaxy M53 and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and here we have to scroll to find Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Let's enter. If you will open this option for the very first time, you will have to pick between the Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. So simply, of course, tap on Digital Wellbeing, and as you can see right here, we've got the graph, actually the line, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. So as you can see, I've been using it for 16 minutes. What's more, you can check if it is longer than yesterday or shorter. So basically we've got two different options, let's say two different ways to check some details. So first of all, we can tap directly on this graph, and as you can see, we will be transferred to the dashboard, which will show us the whole screen time, so divided between the apps, or you can tap directly on the app. Let me get back and let me pick, for example, settings, and as you can see, the dashboard will be shown only for this particular app, so you will be able to check the daily or weekly usage. So actually that's all if we are talking about the screen time. Here under it you've got your goals, which I personally think that maybe not goals, but I wanted to focus on the ways to disconnect, because it's quite useful if for some reason if you need the time for yourself, you need to work, you want to sleep, and so on, then you can simply tap on, for example, work time or bedtime mode. You will be able to pick some distracting apps from which you are receiving the most notifications. After that, you will be able to set the schedule. So for example, pick particular days in which those apps will be turned off, and thanks to this you will have some free time. So I highly recommend to enter this option and check how it works. And under it you've got the comfort care, and you can enter parental controls. So actually this is it. This is how to check total screen time in your Samsung Galaxy M53. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.